got some more work done. So this step is we wanted to manufacture our mounting brackets that our Retract will screw into and to hold us into the wing. I made the 1/4 inch plywood, and these are 1/4 inch dowels that I've cut and sharpened, and then sharpened them so that I could take them and press them down inside this foam. Now I want this block to be just as even with this foam as it can possibly be, because I'm going to sheet right over it. Once I sheet it and it comes out of the bagging and I get ready to cut all these holes out, all I have to do is to take my template that we made, remember this, and lay it on the plane, on the wing, and line up our markers, and then mark our balsa wood, cut it out, and we're exactly where everything is cut out already. Everything will be in order and in line. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up some 30-minute epoxy, and I'm going to pour it into this, and then shove this down in there, and we're going to let it sit overnight. So let's mix up some epoxy. Like I said, this is 30-minute epoxy. To be on the safe side, I'm going to mix up 22 grams. I know that's overkill, but I don't feel like mixing up anymore. So I've got 22 grams of 30-minute epoxy. And we're going to mix it up real good. Now this 30-minute epoxy will give it time. It'll actually seep down and fill up all the little crevices. And all those crevices in that styrofoam and around that balsa wood, around that hardwood, will make a very strong bond. Okay. Smear this out real good. Take this and mash it down in there good. take some tape. Put over it, hold it down in there really tight. Just like that. All right. Put that back in the shuck. Get the other wing. We're going to do the same thing. Now, I promise you that to knock that landing gear out of that wing, it's going to take a serious blow. I've been putting these blocks in this way for 30 years at least. 40 years. I forget how many years it's been. There. Put it back in the shuck. There we go. Put our stuff away. And we have it done. Tomorrow, that will be nice and set up. And then we can decide what we want to do next. Now, I can either go ahead and sheet the wings and bag them tomorrow, or I can make my little boxes for my servos and put them inside the foam and then sheet over everything. We'll decide on that tomorrow. Kind of like, how do I feel tomorrow? So, until tomorrow, good night.